Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to update Outlook meeting without sending notification. All right, so let's begin with the video. To begin, open Outlook and go to your calendar. Find the meeting you want to edit and double click it so the full meeting window opens. Make sure you're opening the actual meeting editor and not just the preview pane. This method only works for meetings that you created and organized yourself. Once the meeting window is open, you can safely make non-critical changes. For example, you can update the meeting description, improve the agenda, add notes, or attach new files. These kinds of edits usually don't affect the schedule itself, so Outlook can save them quietly. However, avoid changing important scheduling details, such as the meeting date, start time, end time, or location. Outlook considers those to be major changes, and it will normally require sending an update notification to all attendees. After making your edits, click the Save option in the toolbar. Do not select Send Update. Then close the meeting window. If Outlook asks whether you want to send updates to attendees, choose Do Not Send. That is the key step that prevents notification emails from being delivered. Your updates will still be saved to the meeting itself, meaning attendees can see the latest notes or attachments the next time they open the calendar event manually. And that's it. So that's basically how you can update Outlook meeting without sending notification. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.